How I bought an SM7B for £200 when on Amazon is £400. Follow along and I'll show you how in just a second. In this video I'm going to show you my two simple tricks that I use all the time to buy the gear, the tools that I need at sometimes at 15 and 30% off or even half price. So follow along and I will teach you how in this video. Step number 1. Go to Amazon and search for all the gear that you want to buy and add it in your basket. Oh wait. That's not all. By doing this and wait a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, you will be able to see all the offers for them products specifically. If you wouldn't have added them to your basket, you would never check them one by one, as I never would and no one does. But with this method, you can see all of them at once and the message will pop up on your basket every time the price goes down for one of the products or even for all of them that you want to buy. Follow along for step 2. Step 2. Don't be afraid to use Facebook Marketplace. This is the place where you can find a lot of the gear that you want in brand new condition for half the price that's selling on Amazon. To give you the perfect example, I recently bought this SM7B I'm using right now from the marketplace for only £200, where on Amazon, if you have a look right now, is like £379. So I only got it for £200. So I saved £180 just for one thing that I wanted. So why paying the price in full when you can easily apply these two simple steps and just wait a couple of days or a couple of weeks, and you can definitely find whatever you want for half price, or even if it's not half price but maybe 30% off, and it's a deal because you save money. That's why you clicked on this video, isn't it? Imagine buying 10 products like this one and saving so much money on every single one of them. How much money would you save then? And imagine you can invest all that money in some other new gear, maybe a new camera, a new PC, a new microphone, new whatever you want or whatever you need, so you can create content or maybe a better gaming experience. Don't forget, this takes time. You have to wait maybe a couple of hours, a couple of days, couple of weeks, who knows, but in the end it's all worth it. That's all for today, people. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to leave a comment if you found this helpful in any way, and let me know what you bought and how much you paid and how much you saved. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.